What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a freaking fabulous, amazing day. Badass Ford Pinto, badass Firebird in the shop, Gentek Performance, first link in the description if you need any automotive work or dyno tuning. But today's video is going to be a very simple one. It's going to be about these beautiful tail lights that I got from HawkGlow, which is a sister company of FlashShark. And if you remember FlashShark, I actually got my boss a set of headers from FlashShark, and we did some dyno pulls, we did some insulation on the car. It was headers for his Trans Am, and we ended up doing the install. He made some custom pipes off of it, and then we put it on the dyno to see the horsepower difference. I made some videos back in the day about FlashShark's headers as well. But this is, like I said, from HawkGlow, and this is very nice. So I don't have a Chevy truck anymore. Obviously, you guys know I had a Duramax. Well, I don't have that anymore, but my buddy Connor that works here at the shop, he has a truck. And I talked to HawkGlow, FlashShark, and I was like, hey guys, can you send me a pair of taillights and maybe even headlights? We're gonna do the taillights first and then hopefully do the headlights later for his truck. And actually he's pulling around right now. Look at him go, look at him go. I surprised him with them actually. I was like, hey, I got a present for you. And he's like, no way. And I was like, yeah, way. And I showed him the taillights and he was like super excited about it. So basically we're gonna put these things in, see what they look like, and all that fun stuff. So he's pretty excited about these taillights. Pretty excited. So we're gonna get the taillights over here in the dyno shop, pull down his tailgate, rip these guys out. These things don't take long at all to put in. Literally a 10-minute job, right Connor?
Yep.
Maybe 5 minutes with Connor because this motherfucker he's a workaholic. Workaholic, you know what I mean? And the nice thing is they give you instructions on how to do this, and they give you little white gloves. Put your gloves on. Oh, they're fucking dirty. They're fucking dirty, dude. So it tells you all the tools that you need. Ratchet, quarter-inch drive T50, T25 torque picks, flathead screwdriver, and a trim panel removal. You don't need a trim panel remover because these just come right out. So we're gonna go ahead and take the old ones out. We'll get some tools together, get everything over there, and I'll just let Connor do it. It ain't gonna take long for him to do.
Yeah.
We'll get you some. You got T25 socket over there?
Oh yeah.
T25 socket, a flathead, and a ratchet, buddy. That's what we need. Yeah, don't forget to have the gloves on, buddy. As you guys can see, we have multiple LEDs in here. See my beautiful face in the background. And this red light right here actually lights up as well. That's a reflector. That's a reflector. It has a side light and it has a reverse hole as well. Let's take a look at the back side. Very nicely done. You know, it's a good little tail light assembly. Nothing too crazy.
What are they for?
Oh, never mind. Yours is different. Yours is a Phillips and a 8mm. Yeah, Phillips. You have Phillips. So he has Phillips, guys. He doesn't have Torx. Some of the trucks have Torx. So, you know, these trucks are old. So honestly, people have probably switched them out for something else later on down the line. Connor's doing his thing. That should just pull right out, technically speaking. Oh, shit. Don't break it, buddy.
It's all right. I got new ones.
Oh, shit, you do. Oh, my God. And then just yank them suckers out of there. They twist. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Oh,
here you go, I'll take that.
Might be burnt.
That's fine, you're getting new ones. It don't fucking matter. So these two can come out. These two bulbs can come out. Your reverse stays in. It's gonna be this guy here. This one here. So, oh, you know what? So this guy here, that comes out, and this guy goes in here, in that one. That's for your daytime running light, your park lamp. And then this gets plugged in, and then this gets plugged in to your middle ones there. You got it?
Oh, dude.
What's up?
My fingers. My fingerprints. I think I got it.
I'm holding the camera. I'd help you, but I'm holding the camera.
Don't worry, I got it.
I know.
Oh, plug and play action.
Yeah. Little plug and play action here. This is gonna look.
Little guy.
That guy goes into this guy here. That's your running light. So before your running light was down here,
Yeah.
now your running light's there.
Oh,
on the
the
side.
old switcheroo.
Yeah, the old switcheroo, bud. You're gonna be like the coolest kid on the freaking block with these tail lights.
You already know.
You got it?
Not
You need
already.
help? Here, let me. Yeah, I don't know
I don't
where.
know where this one goes.
Oh, that goes here. Yeah, that goes in there.
Dude, they were throwing me off with the
Dude, they were trying to trick you. Throw us in the garbage here. Here you go. I'll hold this. You plug that in.
easier up.
Yeah. Got her?
Well, yeah, really broke it.
Don't break it. Is it your first time?
Yeah. First time. Can't find the hole.
Ah!
Oh, cheers.
There, got it.
No way. That
All
was
right.
quick.
So I'll get that all in there somehow. You got it?
Yeah.
Make sure it's not, it fits in there nice and nice. Oh my God!
Dude!
Holy!
Check those
Dude,
out.
check that shit
Am
out!
I right?
Dude! That's awesome!
Holes don't line up.
Ah, fuck it. We're gonna finish this one up and then we're gonna get the other one in and then we're gonna show you what it looks like, guys. It's gonna be pretty freaking awesome. All right, guys, so we have the tail lights in. They fit very, very nice. HawkGlow, guys. Link in the description underneath the FlashShark link. You guys also, if you're interested in these taillights, you can get them. They're very nicely priced as well. Connor's gonna go inside. He's gonna demonstrate what these badass things look like. Ooh, look, there's the brake lights. Oh, turn signals. There's turn signals. Brake reverse works. Look at that. What's the daytime running lights? Oh my God! Woo! Look at that! Look, got little side markers here on the side. Got the whole outline of the tail light here. Very, very nice. Turn everything on. That's everything, guys. So at nighttime, people are gonna see your LEDs and your nice little red strip and your side markers as well. Freaking awesome. Good job, buddy. I'm glad you did a great job putting them in.
You're the man.
Don't forget to turn off your running lights. Unless you want to look at them, unless you want to come back and look at them and admire them, you know what I mean? Because they look so freaking awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, that's like a whole different truck, man.
That is, dude.
Dude, look at that.
A whole different truck.
Again, guys, HawkGlow, link in the description below if you're interested in taillights, headlights, whatever. They got a whole bunch of stuff. And hopefully we will be doing a headlight video for Connor on his truck as well. We'll show you the front of his beautiful Chevy pick-me-up truck. He's got these, look at these things. HawkGlow, FlashShark, hook us up, man. We need some new headlights for this guy. This poor guy, he's driving at nighttime. He can't see nothing. He can't see nothing. We gotta hook him up. Gotta hook him up. There you go, buddy. You got yourself some nice new tail lights. Nice new tail lights. Very, very nice. All right, guys, very, very short video. I don't even know if I'm gonna get the 8-minute mark on it, but regardless, short little video just showing the tail lights that I got from HawkGlow for Connor, and hopefully you get some headlights as well. But other than that, guys, we're gonna end the video. I got a lot of other stuff I gotta get done, and we got other videos coming as well, so be patient. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, check me out over on Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. And I thought I heard Connor, I don't know. Other than that, guys, maybe we'll add to this video a little bit. I don't know, just to stretch it out, who knows. But deuces.